What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I want to announce that I'm officially pausing the Dragon Tooth series. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I sincerely appreciate it. This video is just going to be a short one. I need to let everyone know who was interested in buying one of the Dragon Teeth that I'm officially pausing the series. I'm going to possibly revisit it in the future. But for now, I'm not going to be continuing on with the teeth. The mold is just super hard to pour. And I'm not a huge fan of the shape of the mold. It's actually funny. I asked my kids what they thought it looked like, and they said they thought it was a banana. So, yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. But anyway, so last night I tried to pour a bunch of them, and it was just extremely difficult. It wasn't working out. And so we're not going to be doing the Dragon Teeth, at least for now. I might try and revisit in the future. So the Dragon Teeth are out, but the Dragon Hexes are in. So I wanted to do some more pours and everything. And so I poured 20 of the Dragon Hexes last night. Here's one of them, and I already stamped my dragon on it. So they do end up looking pretty sweet. They got the dragon in the middle, and it is a hexagon, which is very cool, and good ripples, especially on this one. A little bit of flames around the dragon. But anyway, so I ended up pouring 20. I think about half of them are already spoken for. But if anyone is interested in a dragon hexagon, let me know. They're all just going to be polished. And yeah, I think I might pour maybe 50 of the dragon hexagons. I'm not sure. Right now I just have 20. But we'll see if I want to keep going with that series. I don't know. I just kind of broke it out spur of the moment last night during the live stream, which it was a very interesting and fun live stream. If you were there, thanks for showing up. I had fun in it. But yeah, so I just want to do a quick video today and let everyone know that the Dragon Teeth are not going to be poured moving forward. So sorry again if you wanted to reserve one of those. It's just way too hard to pour them right now. I might try and cast them in the future, which I am going to be getting into some casting. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be very exciting. I have all the equipment I need to do my own casts. I just need to actually get off my butt and do it. So that'll be coming up in the near future. Stay tuned for that. And like I said, if you wanted one of the Dragon Hexagons, just shoot me an email and we'll get it worked out. They are just same price as my other pours I've done in the past, $27 an ounce with free USA shipping. They all weigh about 2 ounces, so you can probably figure out the price on that. But like I said, I do have 1 through 20 poured, and about half of them are already spoken for. So anyway, just a quick video. I want to say thank you all so much for watching. I do got more content coming out, obviously, every single day. Tomorrow is going to be a great video, so stay tuned. And we're also coming up on 5,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. I got some fun stuff ordered for a really cool giveaway I'm going to do. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Silver Dragons out.